Ah. Hold me for a while. I know this won't last forever. So hold me tonight before the morning take you away. There's sunshine in my love. That is apart. Could you imagine how I wish you touch and kiss? Hold me for a while. I know this won't last forever. So hold. Pantay ba yung kilay ko? Hold me tonight before the morning take you away. Nangangati yung ilong ko. Sabi nila, pag nangati daw yung ilong, there's someone remember you. Charot. Di yan totoo. Kacharutan lang yan. Nangangati ang ilong because may kulangot. Yun lang yun. Walang meaning. Ikabok. Pang ano nga pala to? Mga kahilot. This is the cover doon sa massage bed para hindi mapuno ng langis.